Good morning, students. In English syllabus, we have completed 3 chapters of grammar, correct? And of textbook, we are going to start with our 4th lesson, right? And in 4th, till we complete this first 3 lessons, we have completed 3 lessons of English grammar. What we have completed? We have completed 3 lessons of English grammar, which are called the alphabet. Which lesson we have studied? The alphabet. How many alphabets are there? How many letters are there in alphabet? There are 26 letters in the alphabet. In that, capital form of letters, then small form. Capital form of letters have same height. Small letters have different height. After that, we studied about alphabetical order. In alphabetical order, we studied about various examples. Yes or no? I had shown you pictures. Correct? In 3rd lesson, we studied about the vowels and the consonants. Correct? And now we are going to come back to our textbook part. Okay? We are going to start with our 4th lesson. What we are going to start with? We are going to start with our 4th lesson of English Bal Bharati book. We are going to start with which lesson? A happy song we have completed. Nature poem we have completed. Action time also we have completed. Now we are going to start with to know each other. What we are going to start with? We are going to study know each other. Now, name of lesson is given. Know each other. Know each other means what? Can you tell me? Do you have any guesses? No. I will show you photo also of the textbook, or I will show you photo of that lesson. Know each other. See, you can see something over here. There is a boy and there is a girl. Correct? Even someone is there with this girl, and there is also one woman with this boy. Can you tell me anything? The lesson, the name of lesson itself tells us know each other. Know each other means to ask each other their names. If you are going to come to the school and you have many new students in the school, now our school has not started, but when our school will start, that time what you will do? You will see many new faces. Correct? एकदम नवीन मुलं दिसणार तुम्हाला. Correct? And then what you will do? You will go and say them, hi, how are you? Correct? Some new faces will be crying because they don't want to come in new school. So some of them they are crying, but we are old. Correct or not? We are old, so then what we will do? We will not cry, but we will ask, hey, what happened to you? Why are you crying? Huh? What is wrong? You don't understand teaching of teacher or what? You want to go home? Okay, then again you will say, no Papa, we have to wait here till 3:30. Our school will get over at 3:20. Then we will board our buses, and then we will go till 3:30 at home. Don't cry. You say or not this all to your friends? Yes, everyone says it. And in this way you start knowing each other. तुम्ही काय करतात? एकमेकांसोबत बोलतात, एकमेकांना समजून घेतात. That is only what we are going to study in today's lesson. Today's lesson is about know each other. Now, if a new person comes in your house, what do you say? First of all, what you say? Now I am telling you experience of your house. Now we are not there in classroom, so I just want you to imagine of your house. तुम्ही फक्त कल्पना करायची. तुम्ही तुमच्या घरी. You are at your house. Then what you will do? If a new person comes in your class, in your house, what you will say? First of all, you will say is welcome, sir. Correct? In your mother tongue, what you will say? Welcome, sir. Sit. Right? In your dining hall, you will tell them to sit. Once the person is sitting, then what you do? You go and bring water and gives him water. After giving him water, if you don't know that person, what you will do? You will ask him, sir, can you tell me your name? I have not seen you before at my house. Please, sir, can you tell me your name? This is what you will ask first. And when you will ask this first, then what reply you will get? Then the man who has come in your house, he will say, my name is so and so. I have come to meet to your father. I have some work with your father. Correct? If he has some work with your father, then he will tell where is your. He will ask you where is your father. Before that, he will ask you what is your name, in which class are you studying, correct? In which school are you going, or in which school are you studying? These all questions are naturally questions which we ask to a new person or to a new woman or a new people to whom we meet, right? Let it be anyone. And then here it is given, listen and say. In this lesson what is told, you have to listen to me and you have to say along with me what it is, okay? Now same is given over here, whatever is there in book that I have written on board, because many students don't have books. Here, hello, what is your name? Hello, my name is Soham. What is your name? I am Rima. How old are you? I am 6 years old. Good morning. This is my father. His name is Ramesh. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. Good morning. This is my mother. Her name is Priya. She is a teacher. So now this is what I read something. Have you got any idea after reading this all? Yes, there is a conversation going between two students. Now there are two students. There is one boy. Okay, there is one boy and there is one girl. Now this side boxes are what? Girl. And this side boxes are boy. Now this is what? First we go girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boy. Understood? Now I cannot do acting of both. I will try my level best to tell you acting of boy also and girl also. But before that, now I would like to explain you first. Here there is a girl and she says that, hello, what is your name? The boy says, hello, my name is Soham. And then again he will ask her, my name is Soham, what is your name? Now girl, I am Rima. How old are you? Soham, I am 6 years old. What he saying? He is saying, I am 6 years old. Now again Rima. Next day they are meeting again together. Okay. First they are meeting single, then they are meeting next day morning with their parents. Now Rima. Good morning. This is my father. His name is Ramesh. His name is Ramesh and he is a doctor. So now he will again say, he is going to reply now whom? He is going to reply Rima. Then he will say Rima. Good morning. This is my mother. Her name is Priya and she is a teacher. Now this is what, there is a talk going between two students. There is a talk going between two students, a boy and a girl. Rima, Soham. Now I will tell you some another examples. We will not take Soham and Rima. I will take some other examples. For example, I will take Surya and Vedant. Okay? If two boys are there, then I will take one Surya and one Vedant. Now Surya. Hello. What is your name? Hello. My name is Vedant. And what is your name? I am Surya. How old are you? Vedant. I am 7 years old. Approximately I am 7 years old, because I cannot tell you a fixed age of mine, but I can tell you approximately I am 7 years old. Then Surya. Okay, fine. You are 7 years old. Oh. Okay, nice to meet you. Okay, this much is over. Now next day morning, if they are meeting each other with their parents, then what they will say? They will say, if Surya is meeting whom? Surya is meeting Vedant. Now what expressions he will give? Surya. Hello Vedant. Vedant. Hi Surya, nice to meet you. Dad, he is my friend. Okay. Surya. Vedant, who's there with you? He is my father and he is a doctor. His name is, for example, what I'll tell name of his father's name. For example, his name is Prem Kumar. Okay. Vedant. Surya. Yes, now his name is Prem Kumar. Surya. Then he will tell, Surya will tell his mother is there with him, then what he will say? Nice to meet you, sir. Yesterday I met Vedant and we had a long talk with each other. He is also new in school, I am also new in the school. She is my mother, her name is Priya and she is a teacher. Okay, then parents will meet each other, they will talk, and in this way, what you have done, you have understood each other and you know each other. After this conversation, what you did? You came to know each other. Now, Surya came to know Vedant and Vedant came to know Surya. Understood? Surya's mother also understood Vedant and Vedant's father, and Vedant and Vedant's father also understood Surya and Surya's mother. In this way, know each other. The name of our lesson was what? To know each other. Know each other means what? एकमेकांना समजून घेणे. To know. Know means what? To understand each other, to know names of each other, to know age of each other, to know hobbies of each other, to know favorite games of each other, to know favorite toys of each other, more what you can ask your friends, to know favorite what we call favorite cartoons of each other. Understood? Cartoon channels you are seeing or not? To know favorite cartoon channels of each other, to know favorite color of each other, correct? To know favorite subject of each other. In this way, you can know each other by asking questions. If you will not ask questions, you will understand each other? No, you will not understand each other. How you come to know each other? You say hi, hello, how are you? I am fine. You are new to school. Then the other child is saying, yes, I am new to school. Do you know? Our school has so many classrooms, our teachers are very good. Old child, then new child will say, oh yes, then it is nice that I have come in nice school or I have taken admission in nice school. Then they will start talking with each other, they will know each other by asking lot of questions. And in first day only, if the new child is sitting with old child, they ask many questions. Which is your favorite color? Which is your favorite game? Which is your favorite toy? Which is your favorite color? Which is your favorite dress? Which is your favorite movie? Correct? Which is your favorite dish? More what? You ask these questions. I know you are just in now first standard, and I know when you come from UKG to first standard, your eagerness increases and you ask a lot of questions to your teachers also and to your students also, or not to your students, to your friends. Correct? You ask lot of questions to your teachers. Even if the teacher is teaching, then you in between only you will ask, teacher, where you have taken this sari, where you have taken this pen, from where you have taken this pouch. You ask these questions for what? To know more information or to know more about another person. In this way, we have studied about know each other. Now, what is your homework today? You are going to change now. Here you have to write down same. Hello, what is your name? Hello, my name is Soham. Now you can write down your friends and your name. Understood? If the name of a child is another, for example, if your friend is, if I tell name of your friend is, for example, Vivek, then you will write down here, hello, my name is Vivek. What is your name? Then this side, the child will say, I am Rudra. How old are you? Then Vivek will say, I am 9 years old. Then here, good morning. Good morning. Now, this side will tell, Vivek is there, this side Rudra is there. Then he will say, good morning Vivek. This is my father. His name is so and so. Write down name of your friend's father. And write down his occupation also, whether he is doctor, whether he is teacher, whether he is carpenter, whether he is businessman, whether he is a shopkeeper, you can write down. And here you can write down good morning. Then here you will say good morning Rudra. Correct. Good morning Rudra. This is my mother. Her name is, write down name of your mother, or then yes, write down name of your mother and then write down what she does. She is a housewife, or she is a teacher, she is a doctor, she is an engineer. You can write down such examples in your notebook. I'll give you homework. I will write down homework and give you what homework you will write. What will be your homework? I will write homework that know each other. Know each other, and how many questions you have asked each other? 1, 2, 3. Now you have one question is asked, answer is given. Again question is asked. Again question is asked, answer is given. Again your introduction is given of their parents. In this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 columns you have to make in your notebook, and that small 6 columns you have to write down about you and your friend. Understood? I think you have understood lesson. Okay? Please complete your homework. If you have not got books at home, please come in the school, and our stall is going on. You can go and purchase your books and notebooks. I want you to write down name of lesson in English notebook. Know each other. And then you have to write down. You have to just change what you have to change your names. Okay, you as it is like this only. असंच लिहून काढायचं. फक्त काय करायचं आहे, इथे तुमचं नाव टाकायचं आणि इथे तुमच्या मित्राचं नाव टाकायचं आणि इथे तुमचं नाव टाकायचं. Understood? What you have to do? Here you have to put your friend's name, and here you have to put your name. Understood? And age will remain same, because first standard students are of 6 years only, so age will remain as it is. Only here father's name will change and their mother's name will change. You will do that. If you cannot do it, you can ask your mothers. Correct? Even if your father is going out for work, you can ask your mothers and take her help and draw these small boxes and do it as a homework. Okay? Thank you.